How was your Eid and how was your preparation for Eid?
I mean, we didn't have any preparation, not any plans to go anywhere. We did our Eid in Dhaka, but the next day suddenly our father said we will go to Gazipur, my hometown. Then on the next day we went there and we had a get together with our all cousins. We took photos and we had a nice meal at the rooftop, which was really amazing. And we took many nice photos as well as videos. It was really amazing.
So you were in Gazipur only for one day.
Yeah, for one day.
That was enough for you?
I mean, since I have exam knocking at the door, it's okay. I met with everyone. It's okay. I'm happy with it.
This is your Eid dress?
Yeah, that's my dress.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple, white. Yeah, purple and white.